Hey folks, Kay here from Eat, Pray, Anime with a super special invitation just for you. If this is your first time clicking play on Eat, Pray, Anime, my name is Kay and I am a PhD candidate at the University of California, Santa Barbara, studying Japanese religion and popular culture. And here on my channel, Eat, Pray, Anime, I create videos that explore the history behind the magic of your favorite Japanese pop culture products. But I don't just make videos here on YouTube. I am so incredibly fortunate to have the opportunity to give presentations and guest lectures about my research at universities around the world. And thanks to the power of Zoom and the interwebs, now anybody can attend. In fact, I have a talk coming up later this month that I'm super excited about, and you're invited. On Thursday, April 22nd from 7 to 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I'll be speaking at a virtual event called Your Name and the Religion of Anime, hosted by the University of North Carolina, Charlotte. That's right, a whole hour and a half dedicated to discussing and asking questions about director Shinkai Makoto's blockbuster animated film Kimi no Na wa, or Your Name. Now I know what you're thinking. Yeah, Kay is pretty cool, I guess, but is there anybody like famous going to be there? I'm so glad you asked because the answer is yes. The virtual event will also feature a talk by Professor Jolyon Thomas from the University of Pennsylvania, author of one of my favorite books, Drawing on Tradition, Manga, Anime, and Religion in Contemporary Japan. So mark your calendars for the night of Thursday, April 22nd. I'll drop the link to the Zoom event in the description down below. It's going to be an awesome time and I hope to see you there. Let me know one thing you hope we'll talk about at the event in the comments down below. Until then, don't forget to eat, pray, and watch anime.